Setting up a payment gateway is way too easy. All we have to do is to log in into the admin and then navigate to settings. All your settings related to your website resides here. Then we click on website setting. Then we scroll down a bit and we'll find the payment gateway in the left. Now, these are the payment gateways which are pre-integrated. All you need to have is a merchant account from them, and then you can set up your API keys and then you can activate it. So let's say I'd like to configure Razorpay or PayPal or Stripe, let's say. If you like to configure Stripe, we'll click on configure, enter the publish and the secret key, and then save. Once it's configured, we simply have to activate it. The very same way, let's say if we'd like to activate PayPal simultaneously so that the customer has two different payment gateways and wider choice, then we click on configure, put my PayPal email ID, and then save. Once it's configured, then you can activate it. Both now once the customer tries to make a reservation, he'll find PayPal and Stripe both has an option to make the payment. So this way you can keep on adding and removing the payment gateway from wherever you get the better deal. Do let us know in case if you have any questions or feedbacks in the below comment box, and do follow us for more such informative videos. Thanks for watching.